Good day, everyone. It's Marialine. So for today, we are going to tackle about the 2013 Bohol Earthquake. This PowerPoint presentation is prepared by me, Pet Marialine Siagasilos. I'm from grade 11, STEM Innovativeness. So let's get started. So, as you can see, on your right, that is what happened during an earthquake. If the earthquake is very strong, the roads, the structures will be destroyed. There might be people who are injured, or it might be caused by their death. So, I will tell you about the 2013 Bohol earthquake. The 2013 Bohol earthquake occurred on October 15, 2013 at exactly 8:12 a.m. in the morning. So, the magnitude of the earthquake was recorded at magnitude 7.2. That was strong. So, the epicenter located at the island of Bohol in central Visayas, but was felt as far as southern Mindanao. Imagine, as far as southern Mindanao? According to the PHIVOLCS, or the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, that the earthquake may have been caused by a previously undiscovered fault transecting Bohol running the island's northwest coast. So, imagine, it is an undiscovered fault, and that is called now the Bohol Fault Line. So, it is also called the deadliest earthquake in the Philippines in 23 years since the 1990 Luzon earthquake. So, the energy released by the earthquake was equivalent to 32 bombs dropped in Hiroshima. Oh my God, 32 bombs! It is so strong. So, during the earthquake, there are people panicking, running, and there are also people at home doing the dock cover and hold. They are doing to save themselves from falling objects. So, after the earthquake, according to the official report of the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or the NDRRMC, that there are 222 people were reported dead and 8 were missing, and 976 people were injured. So, as you can see here, the people are outside their homes because of the earthquake, and there are also collapsed houses, and there might be people inside there. So, there are also 79,000 structures are damaged, and more than 14,500 were totally destroyed. Can you imagine that? So, as you can see, the road is broken and destroyed because of the strong earthquake, and the Chocolate Hills is collapsed. So after that, there are also 4,026 aftershocks were recorded, but 114 aftershocks are felt. So the government take action of what happened. So the PHIVOLCS continuously monitors the geologic activity and has continuously monitored the effects of the earthquake. So the armed forces of the Philippines coordinate with the local governments and provincial disaster management units for updates on the situation and for damage and assessments. Also, the Department of Health suspended their operations. They go to the places where the affected region, and they make the region the code red alert status. So as you can see, there are rescuers everywhere, and as you can see in the picture, that there is a people below the rocks that collapsed inside the building. It collapsed. So, the Department of Foreign Affairs suspended their operation in order to inspect for damage of their offices. Here. The Philippine President Benigno Aquino III, the President of the year 2013, where the earthquake happened, visited the provinces of Cebu, the city of Cebu, and the Bohol on October 16, and assessed the damage caused by the earthquake. As you can see in his picture, that there are damaged buildings in the back of him. So, the Department of Social Welfare and Development released 10 million pesos to purchase of relief goods for displaced families. Imagine 10 million pesos. So, the city government of Davao also pledged at least 3 million pesos of cash assistance. And also, the cities of Ormoc, Baybay, and Leyte donated 2.1 million. They are so kind to help our people in need. So, I will give you some recommendations or tips in order to survive an earthquake. So first, we don't have to be panicked. So don't panic. If you panic, you don't know what you are going to do. So it might cause you injured because you're so everywhere panicking, running in everywhere. So next is do the duck, cover, and hold. So go under your table and execute the plan. So that you will not be hit by the falling objects in your home or everywhere. Next is prepare some emergency kits. It includes like first aid, food, water, radios, flashlights, and more. So next is get out on your house immediately, because after the earthquake, there might be the building that collapsed. The building will collapse, and stay out from the building and the transformers, the wires near you. Next is go to a safer place. Bring your pets, family, even your kids. Go to the nearest evacuation place in your area. So that's all for today, and I will tell you a quote. We cannot stop natural disasters, but we can arm ourselves with knowledge, so many lives wouldn't have to be lost if there was enough disaster preparedness. It is said by Petra Nemkova. So thank you so much for listening, and stay safe, and always wear your mask and do social distancing. Thank you.